Yeah, people, so we're there, you know. Yeah, man, we're there. See Maggle here, and you see what she look good. Yeah. Ponyo. Yeah, Virginia Drive. We're there, so I do the recording, see you see it. Don't like, share, and subscribe, you see it. Yeah, man, Dex Media. Put it, that one, the other one. Yeah, put it down. Yeah. Then I'll come for it. One more.
You download the Siren, you can card with Eva because it's Dex Media. Good luck.
Look kind of gritty like you see. So I wonder if better affect it afterwards.
You see on the stair. One, two. More? Yeah, put on your hand. Alright, just like that. One, two.
Yeah, you can take it from yourself. Take it from my hand, yes.
What's up? Nice. The people would have to shoot as it. Come on, like, share, subscribe. Dex Media. Alright. This is still someone there? Alright. 1, 2. Ready? Alright. Put it, that one, the other one. Yeah, put it down. Yeah. Then I'll come for you. One more. 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2. Kind of look for me, but look facing that side here. Or look for your friend, yeah. Alright, yeah, just look for your friend. 1, 2. There's a camera right there, so we get it.
Take a shot there, so.
Wait, ready? 1, 2. That never flash, no? Flash? Yeah, flash. Come again. 1, 2. It never focus. 1, 2. Alright, 1, 2, ready? Yeah, this so. You just want to catch your hand, you know. Come let me knock for your hand. Put your hand, come down a little more so we can, catch your hand. Alright. 1, 2.
Yeah.
You've got that what did it? Put it out now. Yeah. See the people? With the Valley Lighthouse. I put sign that I know that's stop falling. Them a develop out there. So now that's what I do. Welcome to Folly. Yeah, people, so we're actually leaving Folly because we tried to go over there to do the photo shoot and they're saying we're trespassing. And not even give a little blight. And this normally would have happened, so I don't know what's the problem. So we're gonna find our next location right now. So we can stick around to the vlog scene, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, people, so right now we're at the Folly Ruins. Yeah. So we'll find our next spot that we can go. And then I catch it and spin it. You line up. Yeah, people, so we're there, you know. Yeah, man, we're there. See Magli here, you see how she look good? Yeah. When you turn up my YouTube, you know. Alright. No problem. When I crop out the face. Alright. Oh, you see this now, this is like a GoPro, but this can't go in the water. Yeah, that one here different. Then the yeah, Chronic Law them. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, them always come over here, so. As I tell a long time, I come over here because the gate always locked. Yeah, the right is always locked. Yes, where's the name?
No, over here, sir,
I did what? Over here. What it's known for? Okay. Wow. You like right, that's like the scene right here, right? With the background. Yeah, people, so I must love that place here so far. Make sure you click the like button, you know, and like, share, and subscribe. See it. You ready? Hold on, we can have one stone nearby. See that? 6. Chronic Law, 1 law. Chronic Law, then left hand signature. And autograph. Then mark around it, yeah, man.
Yeah, for the best, I just stayed on this.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I can face that way here. Yeah. I use
So what me gonna do then? I'm gonna shoot and catch the background.
just, I will take this now, middle, yes, sir. Right, now, middle, start. Start.
Alright, bro, nice. Alright. Like, make a left a bit far, right? Ready? Alright, see flash up. Yeah. Alright. Anything about that?
Look like some after.
Your friend, I touch me. But you're from telling me tonight. What I meant by run to you. Alright? One, two, ready? Again, one,
Yeah. Yeah. What do you even know what to say?
oh, I went to you know, say position of me later. Alright, same thing here.
Try take one this.
Side of corner,
Yeah.
Alright. One, two. There's something I'm gonna certain about. What do you think? Very good.
You're good one.
You're good. Alright, let's go again. One more. One, two. Again.
You download the Sir Anikin card with Videographyer Media.